If you're here, it's because you've probably spent too much time living inside your head, caught up in your thoughts, reliving moments from the past or worrying about the future. It's exhausting, isn't it? You replay conversations, overanalyze situations, and imagine worst-case scenarios. It feels like your mind is constantly racing, and no matter what you do, you can't escape the noise. But here's the truth, you're not suffering because of the world around you. You're suffering because of the story your mind is telling you about the world. This isn't just some theoretical idea, it's a reality that many of us face daily. The good news? There's a way out. Today, we're going to explore how Stoic philosophy can help you break free from this cycle, and find peace by simply living in the present moment. The problem we face is simple, our minds are always running. We live in a world where distractions are constant, and it's easy to get lost in our thoughts. But what we don't realize is how much this constant mental chatter affects us. We think that overthinking will somehow protect us, that by predicting every possible outcome, we can avoid danger or discomfort. In reality, it only pulls us further away from peace. Overthinking isn't always obvious, it hides behind things like caution, responsibility, and preparation. It tricks us into believing that if we think about something enough, we'll have all the answers. But what actually happens is the opposite. The more we think, the more we stress, and the less clarity we gain. What Stoic philosophy teaches us is that most of our suffering doesn't come from life itself. It comes from how we react to it, and how we interpret the events around us. This is where overthinking becomes dangerous. It traps us in a cycle of unnecessary suffering. The impact of overthinking is undeniable. It affects our emotions, our actions, and our ability to connect with the world around us. When we get stuck in our heads, we become disconnected from the present. We start obsessing over things that have already happened, or imagining problems that haven't even occurred yet. The real harm is that while we're lost in our thoughts, we miss out on life itself. The present moment slips away, unnoticed, while we are lost in a mental fog. We replay conversations, wondering if we said the wrong thing. We imagine scenarios, fearing the worst even when there's no evidence to support it. We believe the stories our minds create, and in doing so, we create unnecessary emotional turmoil. Stoicism offers a simple but powerful solution, the present moment. The Stoics believe that peace doesn't come from avoiding problems or trying to control everything around us. Instead, it comes from mastering how we respond to those problems. Marcus Aurelius, a key Stoic philosopher, said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." What this means is that we have the power to shape our experience of life by changing how we think about it. Stoicism doesn't ask us to stop thinking, but to stop letting our thoughts control us. By practicing Stoic principles, we can learn to step back from the constant stream of thoughts and focus on what's happening right here, right now. The Stoics teach us that the mind is a tool, not something to be trapped in. With their teachings, we can regain control and find peace. There are several Stoic practices that can help us manage overthinking and regain control of our minds. The first step is to become aware of our thoughts. The Stoics taught us to observe our thoughts, but not to be controlled by them. Every time we catch ourselves spiraling, we can stop and say, "This is just a thought, not a fact." This simple practice helps create distance between us and our thoughts, allowing us to regain control. One of the core Stoic teachings is to focus on the present. We can't change the past, and the future is uncertain. The only place where we have any real power is in the present moment. By focusing on what's happening right now, we can reduce anxiety and find peace. The Stoics believe that we can't control everything that happens, but we can control how we respond to it. When we stop reacting automatically to every thought or situation, we take back control over our minds. By practicing these principles, we can stop the cycle of overthinking and return to peace. There are several practical Stoic tools that can help us stay grounded and stop overthinking. Being mindful means paying attention to the present moment, fully experiencing life as it happens. When we practice mindfulness, we break free from the grip of our thoughts and reconnect with the world around us. Journaling is another powerful tool. Writing down our thoughts helps us separate facts from fiction. It allows us to reflect on our experiences, question our assumptions, and gain clarity on what truly matters. Stoics also practiced physical exercises to calm the mind. Breathing deeply and intentionally helps us return to the present moment and break the cycle of overthinking. These tools are simple, but they are incredibly effective at restoring peace and bringing us back to the present. By practicing Stoic philosophy, we can stop living in our heads and start living in peace again. The key is to focus on the present moment, become aware of our thoughts, and learn to control how we respond to the world around us. Take a moment today to stop overthinking. Practice one of the Stoic tools we discussed, whether it's mindfulness, journaling, or just taking a few deep breaths. Choose to live in the present, and you'll find that peace is always within reach. The power to change is in your hands.